Daddy's on his way, says he'll be coming home soon. Finding it hard to live alone on the moon. He'll come back someday. And he'll stay. But it's not what he really wants. No, it's not what he really wants. No, it's not what he really wants. Because what he wants is lost. Sister joined the cavalry to try something new. She's sending postcards saying I should come too. But she's gone away to play. But it's not what she really